So is this a new window that's going to go in here?
Yeah, that's the new kitchen window.
Okay, so it's actually going to be wider and shorter. So let's look at this. This is basically starts with the interior. You have a wood extension jamb right here that the finished trim will go against. The casing for the window is fiberglass, it looks like. And that's better than vinyl because it doesn't move like vinyl. The exterior of the window is a painted aluminum clad, so no maintenance on the outside.
Yeah, that's it. Yep, no maintenance on that new window.
Right, and this looks like a new window because it's going on to a nailing flange.
Yes, yeah, so that's a new construction window. We still have to prep the opening for it. So we're gonna cut the studs to height.
Yep.
I've marked over here. So this is where the window starts.
Yep.
And it goes that way. And this will be the bottom of the window on top of the kitchen countertop.
So it'll be a countertop here. So this is really being closed up, but you're really doubling the width of it.
Yes.
All right, let's get this out. Nice. All right, we're going to use an old clapboard that we took off the house. It's thicker on one end than the other, so it actually has a taper. We're going to lay it on this sill that's level this way and this way. We're going to pitch it down like that. The thin part will be out. So if any moisture or water should collect in behind here, it will run out, not in. All right, let's go outside and put the wrap on. Normally, what we would do is we'd cover this whole wall with the house wrap. But we get some bad weather coming in this weekend, and we want to get this covered up so we don't get water inside. So we can cover just this section. The good thing about this house wrap, we can install it, it'll stick to the house, do what we want, and then later we can put another piece right over it, and it will stick really tight. All right, so now we're going to run this tape around the perimeter. Actually, we're going to do the bottom and the two sides, and then later we'll do the top. Now we're using this tape because this is the tape that the window manufacturer recommends, and we don't want to void the window warranty. All right, now before the window goes in, we have to run a bead of caulking behind the nailing flange. So what I've done is I've drew a line about 3/4 of an inch in from the rough opening on the sides and the top. Hold it right there, not too far. Okay, so now I want to slide it all the way that way. Push it all the way that way.
Push it para mí. There we go.
Okay, so with the window tight against the rough opening on that end, I'm going to put a pencil mark right there. Now we're going to slide the window all the way back this way. Okay, good. And put another mark. Now we slide it back a little bit. Here it goes, so I can see that first mark. Now here's the original mark, and here's the mark on this side. So if I divide that in half, I put a mark right there. We now slide the window back. Oh, okay, good. Okay, now is level, window level.
All right, we're good, yep.
All right, so now that we have the window set in the rough opening and it's level and centered, we're going to take a nail on each side of bottom, close to the bottom as we can get it, and drive one nail in on each side. Okay. So now the next thing I want to do is I want to check the window to see if it's plumb. I have 67 1/4. So now if I go up, I want the tape to hook right in the center of the tape and right at that same position that I measured from on this side. The number is 67 1/4. That tells me not only is the window square, but it's plumb. All right, so the next thing we need to do is we need to check the exact measurement at the top of the window outside. Okay, 51 1/16. Now we're going to check the exact measurement in the middle of the window. It's 51 1/16. That tells us that the window is exactly parallel all the way down and straight. All right. That looks good. Now the window is nailed off. It was centered in the opening. It's caulked behind the flange on each side and across the top. It's square, level, and plumb.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.